Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Splash Resort 102E. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, beachfront, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Splash Resort 102E is located on the beachfront in Panama City Beach, a few steps from Panama City Beach and a 10-minute walk from Laguna Beach. The property is around 2.3 miles from Russell-Fields Pier, 2.4 miles from Pier Park and 3 miles from Gulf World Marine Park. Each room is equipped with a balcony with pool views and free Wi-Fi. All rooms at the hotel come with air conditioning, a seating area, a TV with cable channels, a kitchen, a dining area and a private bathroom with a hairdryer, a shower and free toiletries. Splash Resort 102E has some rooms with sea views, and the rooms have a coffee machine. At the accommodation the rooms come with bed linen and towels. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.